Finance Manager of Skyway O&M Corporation, the operator of South Metro Manila Skyway, and the subcontractor of the Expressway. As an accountant, I have various tasks such as the approval of purchase requests from various departments within the company. Another is the approval of payment requests, memorandums, also from various departments. Another is the approval of accounts payable vouchers processed by the finance department, particularly the accounting department. Another of my tasks is the approval of general journal entries, and most importantly, my most important task is the production of financial reports such as financial statements, budget, comparative analysis of actual versus budget, and so on and so forth. It's very important because both information, internal and external, are requisites, meaning they must exist, they must be present before I can fulfill my task as an accountant. In short, they are needed, they are required. One of the challenges is the relevance and reliability of the information from various sources, internal and external. And another challenge is the cooperation that is required from various sources, from internal and external. That's all.
So hi, I am Joyce Alday. I'm currently on my second year as an assurance associate at Lyn Llacuna Company. So Lyn Llacuna Company is the Philippine member firm of the PricewaterhouseCoopers network. Since I am engaged, so as an assurance associate, so we have a team and we are engaged to do FS audit or financial statements audit, external audit to our clients. So, in external audit, we have the audit report at the end of the audit. That is the product of what we do. So, there's an audit opinion from our partner. So, since I am not a single practitioner, so as an associate, we gather evidence that will give us that reasonable assurance over the assertions in the financial statements. We have the planning, execution phase, assessment of the controls of the client, if necessary. And also we give advice to our client if we see that there are any control deficiency or any part of their controls and recording that has to be improved. We also take note of that and tell it to them. So we're not just finding any mistakes. So we also help them to improve their financial reporting. So internal information in my job can be synonymous to what is internal to the firm or what is internal within the audit team. So since I am in a profession as a CPA and as a public practitioner, we are bound to confidentiality. So when our clients engage us to do the audit, so we have that confidentiality clause. So we are not to disclose those confidential information unless if it's within the under the law or we are in need to do those, but generally we don't. So other internal information is also the firm's strategy or the firm's when we are having internal meeting inside the firm, the policies. So we always take care of that and don't disclose it if it is not necessary and if it will not help the firm or other. So next is the external information. So in my field, external informations are those information outside the firm or outside the client. So we have that statutory information. So like also the market. So for instance, you are auditing a bank or other financial institutions. So we depend on the market on our assessment of or other risk other than the internal and controls. So it is a part of our assessment to if there is a need for more tedious or a higher level of assurance that we need. So for instance, the movement of the stock market, the interest rates. So we also rely on external information in reputable sources. So the challenges, the biggest is what is happening in our country right now because of the coronavirus. Since we have clients and we are external auditors, we are supposed to go to our clients and go to field work as an associate. We can do it right now since we are advised to work from home because of the virus, and also we have to first take care of ourselves, which is our firm is very considerate with that.